Welcome to the magnificent Basilica of San Nicola in Bari, Italy, a sacred sanctuary that houses the relics of Saint Nicholas and stands as a symbol of faith, devotion, and cultural heritage. As you approach this historic basilica, you are greeted by a sense of reverence and the echoes of centuries of prayer. The Basilica of San Nicola, dedicated to Saint Nicholas, the patron saint of sailors, is a renowned pilgrimage site in the charming coastal town of Bari. Its architectural beauty blends elements of Romanesque and Byzantine styles, creating a harmonious testament to faith and artistic expression. The Basilica of San Nicola dates back to the 11th century when construction began. The basilica offers a unique blend of Byzantine and Romanesque architectural styles. One particularly notable feature is its magnificent dome. This dome offers visitors a stunning view and is an unforgettable part of Bari's skyline. The basilica's interior is a treasure trove of religious art and architecture. The intricate mosaics that adorn the walls and ceilings depict scenes from the life of Saint Nicholas and biblical narratives. These mosaics are a vivid representation of the rich history and spirituality that permeate the basilica. One of the most revered aspects of the basilica is its role as the final resting place of Saint Nicholas. Pilgrims from around the world visit Bari to pay homage to the saint, whose relics are preserved in a crypt beneath the altar. The crypt is a place of profound significance, where faith and history come together. The Basilica of San Nicola also serves as a cultural bridge between East and West. It was one of the first great churches of the Western Christian world to adopt elements of Byzantine architecture, and it played a crucial role in the exchange of ideas and influences between Europe and the Eastern Mediterranean. The Basilica of San Nicola encourages you to reflect on the enduring power of faith and the ability of places of worship to transcend time and connect people across generations. It stands as a testament to the importance of preserving cultural heritage and celebrating the values that bind communities together. So, as you leave the Basilica of San Nicola, may you carry with you the sense of spiritual tranquility and the appreciation for the rich tapestry of history and culture that it represents. What stories of faith and heritage will you take with you on your own journey?